that will be unsuccessful. December to February. This is an alert to Chief of Army Staff, to Military Intelligence, to DSS. You might take it, you might not take it. They will try 3 coups are waiting. And those 3 coups are aborted. And Tinubu must invest in security. The big thing that matters in this country, they want to unseat you, Tinubu. They are planning to unseat your government. And what they have not seen is this. They didn't see what God has ahead. They are only looking at the present situation. They are mobilizing the rank of major, colonel, to unseat you. Then what the Lord says that it will not go. That's what the Lord said. I don't know. I'm not talking on behalf of anybody. And I'm not talking to suit anybody's mind. This is an instruction. DSS, DMI, or whatever, National Intelligence Agency, Military Intelligence Agency, or what have you. This is a signal to you. You don't see it coming. They can't see it coming. It will be prevented. It will not come. It will be aborted. That's what the Lord says. Now, let's watch this for World Health Organization. I see airborne disease, COVID, in another direction, in another dimension, that can cause cough, can cause cold, can disease, can cause anything. It's the one, and that's what the Lord says. Africa, revolution is coming. Just as I've warned, and I'll keep warning. The Madagascar one is happening now. The man cannot survive it. The revolution will be moving. Likewise, it's coming in Portugal. It's coming in Cameroon. Then Chad. The president of Chad was careful. Revolution is coming. In Nigeria, let me warn the government of Nigeria. Look at it beyond what I'm saying to you now. Some people are planning revolution against this government in 2027. Watch out. Revolution is coming in Ghana. It's coming. And it's coming in Togo, Benin Republic. Just mark my word and wait there. However, Shuwere will be a very strong influencer in 2026. Let them be careful. Let them be watchful. But what Shuwere must do is he must not allow them to influence him financially. Shuwere, you are not born to be a president, but you are born to be a game changer. Stick to it. If you are running to be president, it's a waste of time and energy. That's what the Lord says. Then finally, the issue of insecurity will still be a thing of the past. It's going to be 12 November, December, January, kidnapper, monsters, thieves, and robber. Lagos State, let's watch about thieves, and robber, Commissioner of Lagos State, please take this message very important and watch about this. And let there be roadblocks in major places. Insecurity. So they will not say burglary, very important. These are the messages of the Lord. Let me repeat myself again. I know what I'm talking about. Say anything. See, only a strong candidate can stop Atiku's vision not to come out as a president in ADC. However, Jonathan will never listen to anybody that don't run. We want to run for presidency. I would not advise Jonathan not to run. That is civil rights. Let him run. The time will tell if he's going to win or not. But in ADC, Atiku will get the ticket. Nobody will stop him. Then, except miracle, somebody else stronger than him, powerful than him, more influential than him, younger. That's the only person who can stop Atiku not to have the ticket. That's all. And nobody can stop this guy. Nobody can stop Tinubu not to have APC ticket. So likewise Atiku. And also nobody can stop Jonathan not to have his ticket in PDP. Except maybe God speaks to Jonathan himself. That at this moment, Jonathan is ready to contest and should be ready to lose the election. Down the street, you should be ready to lose the election disgracefully. EcoBank, they want to hack your account. EcoBank, they want to hack your account. Mary Kyari, the former NNPC DMD, sincerely, they will suffer you. They will trouble you. They want to put you in a mess. Every hidden thing will be exposed, no doubt. The only saving grace is God who can save you. Emefiele, you will not be a Emefiele again. You know, I say God win. Your God cannot win for you. Emefiele, seek God face in a right direction so that you can win. If you are seeking God in the wrong direction, Emefiele, they will forget your name in this country. That's what the Lord says.